Just finishing up in the forecourts this week. It's been a very busy week helping citizens and people living in Ireland exercise their constitutional and statutory rights in our forecourts. I want to show you some documents which I myself was filing in the court today. So I have my plenary summons filed, my notice of motion to be back before the court on the 3rd of December, holding the Office of the Garda Commissioner and the Director of Public Prosecutions accountable for a malicious prosecution being carried out against me in Mullingar District Court. And these are the two books that have to be served now on both offices. I also filed my submissions into the Court of Appeal today. These submissions, which I'll share with you later on, show that the High Court failed to engage in my sequential fundamental rights argument concerning personal liberty, where I can show that personal liberty can be deprived when a citizen is treated unequally before the law and their rights are not protected and vindicated. Another document I got from the court office today was an attested copy of a Court of Appeal order. This attested copy allowed me to, first of all, get the transcript of these hearings, okay? Provided I do not disseminate, publish, or otherwise share the transcripts with any third party without the prior leave of the court. The transcripts will be used solely for the purpose of prosecuting appeals 2025-2000 or 232 and 2025-233 in the Court of Appeal, and that I will keep the transcripts securely and destroy them once the permitted use has concluded. Now, I had to agree to this in the Court of Appeal because the County Register for Meath and Westmeath, Breegeen Concannon, who is being unlawfully represented by the Chief State Solicitor, Maria Brown, who is herself unlawfully using the Chief State Solicitor's office to represent her personal interests in the superior courts, would allow me to get the transcripts. The Chief State Solicitor paid a private firm thousands of euro to come into the court on the 3rd and 4th of June to draft these, to make a record of these transcripts. As well as dealing with them, the court services and the guards got in on the action as well too. And they too made an order barring me from showing these transcripts to the members of the public, because these transcripts are damning. They show barristers from the court, from these two offices, coming into the High Court, telling the High Court a load of lies in June, right? And the High Court judge taking them down a peg or two. Their arguments were absolutely contradictory to what the Constitution of Ireland provides. And it's only when we bring these matters before the court, I'm bringing this before the Supreme Court now, because justice shall be administered in public pursuant to Article 34 of the Constitution. So it's only when we get into the courts, into the forecourts to exercise our rights, that we hold state bodies to account. And I'm here helping people do that full time.